Howdy ho! How's it going, everyone? A couple guys in here. Guys or gals, what's up? What up, Adam? Hey, sweetie. Nice. Got some good focus here. Hey, what's up, JP? How you doing tonight, bud? I'm just gonna post the link a couple more times in the other threads so everyone sees it. There we go. Hey, Roger, how's it going? So, 14 total hits in this break, 4 each in select, and then 3 each in the limited. I'll do it in that order that we got them lined up there. Select, limited, select, limited. Yeah, it took a little while to fill. I'll try to get some newer stuff in. I know you guys really want that new stuff. I think there's some good value in 2014 cards, though, still. A lot of good QBs and wide receivers and quite a few good cards in 2014, I feel like. But we'll get some new stuff going as well. Wait a few more minutes for everyone else to hop in, and we'll get her going. Nice. Yeah, Seahawks doing work. I'm glad Russell Wilson's getting me mad fantasy points. I'm all about it. Eddie Lacy actually putting up points as a supposedly backup or second running back, which is nice. He's been the biggest bust for my team, definitely. Finally getting. He's got 70 yards or something. Nice. Pretty good for him this season. Yeah, Peyton. Yeah, I had him on my. I picked him probably like in the 5th round, and I was like, oh, that's a great pick, 5th round. But lo and behold, it's been like one of the worst picks. Yeah, I pretty much ditched him week 3 or so. So many picks, not enough TDs. Yeah, we'll get this going though here. I don't know everyone's watching live. I blasted the link a few times, so they had their chance if they want to watch live. We'll just have to watch the YouTube. Dropped him for Sanchez. Wow. That's pretty harsh. Poor old 5-head. Okay, we'll get this going here. Everyone else can watch the tube on it. Oh, damn. Yeah. Gurley, that's a pretty good pick. I didn't think I didn't really know the full nature of his injury. I thought he was like maybe not even gonna play all season. So I kind of steered away from him, but obviously he's playing and is a beast. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we got. So there's no full skunk protection in this break, but we got these two. Nice Trey Mason, Supreme Auto, and Kobe Fleener rookie 2-color patch there that will give away to some random hitless guys. Yeah, I mean, I could have easily picked up Gurley. pretty late, but I was foolish not to. When Eddie Lacy, my first pick, worst pick ever. Oh, we got a couple more guys in now. Hey, how's it going? Just about to get this going here. Start with our select. Looking like 14, or oh yeah, 8 plus 6, so 14 total hits here. So we'll start it up with our first box of select. 4 total hits in each one of these. What's up, Porch Honky? What's your name on Facebook? Who are you? Is that Joseph? You look like, I think you broke with me maybe once. Oh, Eugene. Nice. You had a different breaker's name at one point, I thought, but Porch Honky, that's a pretty good one. Yeah, it doesn't look like we got a mojo in our first one. Remember the first box of select I did, we got mojo. We got a mojo box. Mojo boxes are like everything's a prism. Refractor style card. Maybe in the next box, we'll see. Yeah, these are normal ones. So we'll slice these guys open. There we go. We get all these packs out. We'll just get that other one open as well. I got my gruesome finger injury exposed right now, so don't look if you're squeamish. I'll try not to expose it too much. Oh yeah, Tide Pride. Yeah, Roll Tide. Okay, so here we go. First box of our select. Get it going. Good luck to everyone. Thank you all for filling. And always make sure if you guys have changed addresses since your last break, definitely send your new one to me so I can get them out to you accurately and quickly. So first card is base. A little shiny here, LaShawn McCoy. Kane Coulter, Vikings rookie. D'Angelo Williams. These are numbered ones. Orange style or prism. Yeah, this one's out of 75. D'Angelo. Going to the Panthers on that one. Even though he's on the Steelers now, but RG3. T.Y. Hilton. Next pack. I put in a pellet stove in my house, and I was adjusting the stove. I was trying to go up through the old stovepipe, and I was adjusting the pellet pipe into it, and it's like big heavy diffuser pipe fell down on I pushed that big pipe away to try to block, my main body and like other things around me. Sliced the top of my finger off there. So we got Cecil Shorts, Vincent Jackson, another D'Angelo Williams prism card. That's kind of funny. Not numbered, just a regular prism on that one. Yeah, I was lucky I didn't lose my finger, definitely, or anything other part of my body. But J.J. Watt, Marshawn Lynch. Yeah, it was pretty painful. Not too bad though, just a lot of blood. You see, I don't really try not to use that finger too much right now. Brett Favre, Jordan Cameron, Antonio Brown purple prism at a 199 on that one. Steelers. No Sean Moreno, Tony Romo. Tony's back, finally got a win. Can't believe they couldn't get one win the entire time. Tony was gone, that's pretty shitty. I feel bad. Let's see. Torrey Smith, and looks like we got a hit card, so we'll bring up the other base on top. We'll see the hit last. Andre Johnson, Drew Brees. There's that Torrey Smith again. Ryan Grant. Our first hit, LaMarcus Joyner, Rams at a 149. Auto. My list is in my printer right now. Whoever has the Rams is getting this one. Let's grab the list real quick. Rams is Adam Lackey. Adam's starting it off with the first hit. Marcus Joyner out of 199 auto. Okay, last pack of the first box, mini box. So we got another thick one in here. Bring up our thin base cards up. Go. Steven Jackson, Andre Roberts, Des Bryant, Arian Foster, and our next hit card, Adrian Peterson at a 150. It's a relic card, patch card for the Vikings. It's having a pretty good night right now. A good season, definitely, again, out of 150. 65 out of 150. And Vikings is JP. JP getting his first hit. Nice little jersey card there. Okay, on to mini box number 2. Here we go. MJD Raiders. Jeremiah Atuchu. Sean Green. Prism style refractor there. Alex Smith. Nick Foles. Next pack. So looking for two more hits in this first select box. Eric Decker. Ben Roethlisberger. Brandon Oliver, rookie. Prism style rookie there, no number on it, but it's like a basic style refractor. Andrew Luck, Aaron Rodgers. Next pack. Yo, what up, Joe? How's it going? Haven't hit anything for your teams yet. We've got an AP jersey and Lamarcus Joyner auto for the Rams so far. It's our first box to select right now. Mike Wallace, Keenan Allen, Ego Ferguson Prism here, rookie at a 99 on that one. For the Bears, Jamal Charles, Josh McCown. This feels like a thick one here, a little fatter than the rest. Yeah. Larry Fitzgerald, Greg Olson, Chris Long, Jeff Janis, rookie. And for the Lions, Kyle Van Noy at a 199 auto. Spectacular auto. Hopefully our other boxes select will be better than that. Going to the Lions on this one. Zeke's got it. Kyle Van Noy at a 199 going to Zeke. And our last select pack of the first box. So we might have points because this is a thin pack here. We're going to have to random points if it is that. We'll see. Alshon. Cam Newton Super Bowl insert. Yeah, it's like we got points. 250 points there. So we'll have to randomize that between everyone basically. No number on that Cam Newton insert. 250 points. I won't show the back of it in case we get some people trying to screen grab. James Jones, Michael Crabtree. So you got some points there. I don't really like points. They never work for me, but I know people who like them. It always says I've never created an account. I've created an account like 20 times. Okay, so first box of limited. 3 hits in here. It's just like 6 or 7 cards, or 5 cards, yeah. So these go pretty quick. See what we can grab out of these. Just 1 pack. Okay, good luck everyone. First box of limited. Damn mangled hand. Ugh. There we are. Let's see how this is set up. I don't want to reveal everything right away. So we got some base up on top. We'll just put it right there. You can't get a little off focus, so you can't see exactly what's there. First card we got Antonio Brown out of 399. We'll get this base first. Here we go. Doug Baldwin out of 49. Seahawks. We got a Jay Cutler out of 399. Should be all our base style parallels. The rest should be all hits here. Taylor Lewan, Titans auto. 24 out of 25. That is Dan Marks grabbing that one. Actually a very good offensive lineman. I know lots of people don't really collect them, but integral piece of a team, that's for sure. Going to Dan at 25 on that, pretty nice. Okay, next card. Oop, put that in the hit pile. You got a dual something or other here. Derek Carr, Denarius Moore, Oakland. Dual patch out of 99. 16 out of 99, Derek Carr, Denarius Moore, and I believe that's JP. So you have Vikings and Raiders, yep, and Seahawks, yep. I'm going to JP. One color style there, just little black patches. Okay, and then our last card. Got Warren Sapp here. Let's see what this is. Warren Sapp auto. It's pretty sweet. Out of 25. 12 out of 25 going to the Bucks. Buccaneers was Adam Rochelle. Nice little Warren auto there. 12 out of 25. Pretty sweet. A little bit embattled player there, or former player, but a couple problems with the law and such, but hell of a player, that's for sure. Okay, so on to our next box of select. Pile's all straight. Okay, let's hope for a Mojo box. That'd be sweet. All prisms, but it's 1 per case, I think. Let's see what we get here. Oh, we got a Mojo. Got a Mojo mini box. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much there, Adam. Wish he didn't, you know, abuse women and, you know, pay for sex and all that, but to each his own. Super Bowl winning player. Boom. Yeah, you gotta, this is the Prism box, or Mojo box. Should be all Prism style cards in there, so we'll get this. We'll definitely make sure to separate the packs so we know which we're coming from. Yeah, I'll leave that open like that first, and we'll rip these individually without having them out. See what we can get. Empty mini box. Okay, we'll go with these ones first, then we'll do our Mojo box. Andre Roberts, Alex Smith, George Atkinson III, Raiders rookie refractor prism out of 75. Chris Long, Alshon Jeffrey, Nick Foles, Keith Wenning rookie, Marshawn Lynch normal style prism there. I don't think it's numbered. No, sometimes it's different for vets or whatnot, but Percy Harvin, Cecil Shorts. Andy Luck. Got a green Vincent Jackson. This might be out of 5. That was pretty cool. Oh yeah, 5 out of 5. Nice. Pretty sweet. For the Bucks again. Bucks getting some cool cards there. Darqueze Dennard rookie prism here. That one's out of 199. Bengals. And Vincent Jackson again. Darren McFadden. Okay, next pack. Hey, 5 out of 5. eBay 1 of 1, yo. Okay, got a hit in this one, seems like. Bring our base up. D'Angelo Williams. Sean Green. Aaron Rodgers. Dominique Easley. Rookie card, standard one, no prisming on that. We got a Crowell, Isaiah Crowell for the Browns. I believe that's Adam Lackey as well. Out of 199. I think he's hurt right now. He's not on the Browns though either, I don't think. Is he? Can't remember. Terrence West is not on the Browns anymore, that's all I know. Browns, yeah, Adam Lackey. Okay, one more pack out of this regular. Feels like a hit in there, unless they're duping me. It's a thick one. Okie dokie, here we go. Joe Flacco. Peyton Manning. Jamal Charles. And you got a little insert, looks like here, for Darqueze. Haven't seen a lot of those ones. I don't think it's numbered. Let's see what we got behind it. Ooh, just a Blake Bortles patch. Thought it was going to be an auto for a second. Jags. I think Dustin Hyder's got them. Yep. Blake Bortles out of... I thought it was 000 for a second. It's 8 out of 149. That would be a sweet error. 000 out of 149. That would have been sweet. That one's going to Dustin. Haida. And let's see, I don't think this insert's numbered. Just want to check that. Nope. Bengals insert. Okay, so now our Mojo box where every card should be a prism style card. So let's see if we can get something cool out of here. Best of luck, everyone. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Preston Brown. Rookie prism style card. I guess not everything's numbered, but they're all prisms. E.J. Gaines. Rams. Everything looks like it was a rookie too, pretty much. Sonoris Perry. Bears. Then we got John Brown auto for the cards. And that one's out of 15. 13 out of 15. Ooh, so close to that eBay 1 of 1. We had the cards. Someone, I think JP was trying to give him up. I think that's who it was. Yeah, JP had him. Yeah, nice John Brown. He's a quality player. Cardinals are pretty good too. Don't sleep on those Cardinals. It's like they use the this as their test for the Spectra style prisms. These like crazy refractors. We got a Capri Bibs for the Broncos at a 75 on that one. Pretty cool auto there to start off our mojo. Timmy Jernigan, Ravens. Jason Morrow, Jets. Ted Bolzer, Skins. We got another Coney E-League card here. I think this one's probably numbered. Oh, I guess not. Look a little different. Let's see, everything is prismed. Brandon Oliver. That one is at a 75 for the Chargers. Okay, 3 more packs. Feels like this could be our hit pack. Michael Sam Prism. This one's probably numbered. It looks crazy. Yeah, 4 out of 5. Cowboys. Oh, behave. Isaiah Burse. Broncos. No number. Glenn Winston. Browns. Zach Bauman. Oh, this looks like this was just... Oh, no, it's a Redempo. Should give us points and a Redempo, and it's in the Prism thing, the Mojo box. Jeez. Zach Bauman. So let's see what our redemption is here. Yeah, you make us wait for a Philly Brown auto? Philly Brown is probably Eagles, I'm saying, in this year. You make us wait for a Philly Brown auto. Should have been an Odell auto or something. You gotta make us wait. I'm pretty sure that's Eagles. I don't know if anyone wants to check that for me. I know he might be somewhere else now, but I believe he was drafted Eagles. 2014 style. Okay, 2 more packs in our mojo. Let's see if we can make up for that redemption with some cool low numbered cards or something. Maybe an extra auto or something. Jay Proche. Orleans Darkwa. Not the Giants now, but Dolphins originally. Ego Ferguson. Crockett Gilmore. Another Orleans Darkwa. This one's numbered, it looks like. Yeah, 75. Okay, last mojo pack. Solomon Patton, Jalen Saunders. Oh, Panthers, Philly Brown. Matt Hazel, Devin Street. It looks like Darquez or Denard's our last one. That's probably numbered as 75. Oh, 25. Bengals. So I thought that would have been more special, but kind of meh on that mojo box. Everything should have been like numbered at a 2 or something. Okay. So here's our last box of this 4-box break. And I will tabulate up real quick at the end of this, and we'll do our hit list thing right after. Who gets the 2 cards there? Then I'm giving away to the hit list guys. I'll just go through the hits real quick. If you guys want to hang around and watch that, you can, but it'll be up on YouTube as well. I'll do a little recap after we get through this as well. Separate out our base here. I'll just go right for it here. Andrew Luck out of 399. Then we got Paul Richardson. Set this stuff in the back so we don't see it right away. Let's see what we got for the Paul. Seahawks. Patch auto out of 199. It's always those teams people offer up for trades. They get hit. Paul Richardson. I think that's JP had him. He offered him up, I believe. Yep. JP getting a bunch of hits. Lost picture. Flacco's out. Oh yeah, I heard something was going wrong there. I've been making chicken wings for my friends, but and they get to enjoy the football. But so there's our Andrew Luck. Get in that pile. Next one. Jerick McKinnon, Vikings. It's another JP. JP got everything. Out of 49 auto. Set that down. Left hand is just not good at getting things out of stuff anymore. $26 out of 49. Yeah, try refreshing there, Adam. Everyone else still good. I'm good on my end. I'm watching the thing as well. Next parallel base style card here. Ryan Tannehill out of 399. Refreshed. And our last one. Got Chiefs. Alex Smith. Looks like probably just a patch. Dirty patch out of 25. Sunday, December 15th, 2013. So it's actually officially game worn. That's kind of cool. Game day versus the Raiders. That one's going to Joseph. So that is our last card. And I'll just run through all the hits we got real quick. All the patches and autos. So Alex Smith out of 25. Very dirty game day patch. Jerick McKinnon out of 49. Let me just mark down. We got hits real quick as well as I'm doing this. So JP got stuff, obviously. Joe picked up that Chiefies hit. Okay. Paul Richardson. Patch auto. Big old patch there. And we got Philly Brown here, so that's Panthers, Lorenzo was saying. So I think that's probably Zeke who had him. Oh, Roger. Yeah. Roger had him. Mark him off. We know Adam Rochelle got a sap hit. Roger. And the Cardinals, that was JP again. That's a nice little John Brown hit. Out of 15. Bortles patch. At a 149 for Dustin. Dustin hit. Adam Lackey with this Crowell, Browns auto. Adam Rochelle got this sap out of 25. Marked him down already. JP got another hit here. Carr and Denarius Moore out of 99. And we got, I think, Dan, it was with the Titans. Dan Marks getting the Taylor Lewan out of 25 auto. 24 out of 25, so Dan hit. Mark him up. And we'll random this off between everyone that was in the break. So we'll see who do that right before we do the entire hit list thing there. And then we got Lions here, Kyle Van Noy auto. Oh, you're welcome, JP. You got some good hits there. And Lions. What Zeke? And JP got that AP jersey. And our first hit was the Rams, LaMarcus Joyner. One second, we'll do our points giveaway. Give away that 250 to anyone. Oh, Adam Lackey got the first hit there too, so. Got Lorenzo, Harold, Bo, Nicole, and Eugene. We're all hitless. So they'll be the ones going for those 2 hits that Trey Mason auto from Supreme and that Kobe Fleener 2-color patch rookie. So they'll be fighting over that. But first, but if they don't get this, if they get the 250, then they'll be considered getting a hit. So we'll see who gets those points real quick here. Bear with me, I'll pull up the random and such. Boom, boom. Add our screen cap. So I'll just do it as I have it on the list here. Then we need to alphabetize it. Got Lorenzo, Harold. Oh no, this we got to do the full, right? The points. Let me grab my other list. I can just copy and paste. Okay, now I got the list I need. Everyone that was in the break will go for these points. Okay, here we go. This is everyone that's in the break total. You're all getting a chance at that 250 points. Can you guys still hear me on that end? I'm getting some weird reconnect stuff. Saying I'm trying to reconnect. Can you guys hear me? Check, check. 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Okay, well, looks like I'm still broadcasting. I can't tell what's happening with the chat, but about to do our 250 points Panini points giveaway. Everyone in the break has a chance at it. Do 7 randomizations. Whoever ends up on top gets it. And if they were considered hitless previously, they will be taken off the hitless list for this next giveaway. So good luck. 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the last one. Best of luck, everyone. Thank you so much for filling. Here we go. Harold. There you go, Harold. So you got out of the hitless column. You get 250 Panini points. So he'll be taken out of the giveaway for the hitless bonus. He's getting the 250. Oh, okay, thanks, Lorenzo. Yeah, I guess got your message there. You guys can hear, but yeah, there's something going wrong with chat right now. There we go. So Harold's got the 250. And now we will do the hitless random. So we got number 1 spot after 7 randomizations. We'll get this Trey Mason. Patch, or not patch auto out of 50 it is. From Supreme. And then second place we'll get the Fleener But of course, if you got cards in the break, any sort of cards, base cards, they will ship as well. So even if you go completely hitless, so get all the hitless guys in here. Just a few of you. Renzo. Harold's out now, so we got Bo, Nicole, and Eugene. Yep. And here we go. Everyone in the contest went over, Roger. Nice. Okay, so 7 times on this. First top 2 will get the prizes. And I'll probably just throw something in for the other 2 who didn't get anything, since there's only 2. I thought there'd be a lot more people, different people in the break, so I thought there'd be a ton of hitless. You guys will get something too, of course. Here we go. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the last one. Top 2 win those 2 cards. So Lorenzo getting the Trey Mason. Supreme Auto at a 50. This guy right now. And then Eugene is getting the Kobe Fleener 2-color patch there. Nice little die cut patch like that card. And Nicole and Bo, I'll get you something in your package. You know me. Oh, you're welcome, Lorenzo. Yeah, it's a pretty cool card. Harold, you just you didn't get much in the break, but you got the random, and you got these 250 points, Panini points. Those are for you, Harold. You got some base cards and stuff, but you didn't get any hits in the main part of the break, so. But those are random to everyone, but you won them. Yeah, you won that 250 points in a random, Harold. Thank you, Eugene. Yeah, 250 points isn't too bad, though. I know lots of people who like points. Be able to move those or trade them or something. Yeah, I was hoping maybe we get a little Devontae. He got hurt today, too, but he had Falcons. Devontae Freeman hit would have been nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining. This will be up in probably 45 minutes to an hour. It took about 45 minutes, so. Yep, thank you, Harold. Thanks for joining. Thanks to everyone for joining. Want to check the YouTube out? It'll be up in about an hour or so. Other than that, continue watching football. Have fun. Have a happy Thanksgiving this week. I'll be in New Hampshire with some of my friends, but hope everyone has a good time with their families or whatever you guys do on Thanksgiving. I'll be eating some ton of food, I'm sure. Alright, everyone. Have a good night. Take it easy. Thank you so much for joining. Later.